Hello, my name is Danny Schaefer, and this is Group Seven's presentation on microgrids, energy on demand. So the purpose of microgrids, have you ever wanted to cut out the utility and create your own power, but price was always a barrier? Utilities of installing solar panels to cover electrical utilities can cost anywhere from $12,000 to $16,000. So it is a pretty significant investment to put on your property. The problem in California, the utility company is always shutting off parts of the grid throughout the windy season to prevent fires. As a result, customers are left without power. Customers are unable to run their AC units and charge their electric vehicles, which is significantly problematic, especially in California, which has the highest amount of electric vehicles per capita in the United States. So our solution, we will offer a cookie cutter based microgrid solution to help people cut away from the grid. We use a mix of battery-based and grid-dependent inverters plus energy storage to accomplish this. For our target market, we're looking to include communities of anywhere from 6 to 12 dwellings in the state of California. In terms of financial status, we're looking for upper middle class to upper class. The communities who benefit the most would be those who experience 5 or more utility and do shutoffs per year. So a quick description of our product. We have an engineering design of a microgrid. We'll need a procurement of inverters, solar, and energy storage. We also need contracts with solar installers and electricians. Along with this, we will also need to submit paperwork for approval of our projects to concerning authorities, as well as financing and continued service of the microgrid throughout its lifespan. A quick overview of our business model. We will design and engineer 2 cookie cutter microgrid solutions to offer to customers. We will use TV commercials as well as social media advertisements to market that to customers. For a sales channel, we'll have to obtain product from manufacturers, complete prep work and wiring. This can be done offsite. Finally, we will also have to transfer product to contracted solar installers for installation. For our revenue, we'll have 2 different options or 2 different revenue streams. One, the customer pays 100% of the product and installation costs up front, plus a monthly electrical usage at a reduced fee schedule. Option B, a little bit less upfront as the customer is only going to be paying 50%. But as a result, we will have to increase the monthly electrical usage fee since they did not pay the 100% down payment. So a quick overview of our team. Adam Whittick is acting as the Chief Executive Officer with Kelsey Hamilton, our Chief Financial. Myself as the Procurement Manager, and Tanisha Pittman working as the Vice President of Marketing. So some team roles that we still need to fill out. Solar designer and engineer. We're going to need a multitude of contracted solar installers as well as service manager. And finally, we also need to fill out some administrative positions. Finally, a quick look at the financials here. Monthly fixed costs, rent being $12,000, salaries being $58,750, utilities coming out to about $5,000. So monthly fixed costs are going to be around $76,000 per month. Selling price for one of our units is going to be $300,000 for a unit that covers 6 homes or units. Direct costs to install the microgrids is going to be for a 6-unit microgrid is going to be $154,027 for materials with $25,000 for installation costs. Our break-even point for all our costs is going to be one system if a customer pays 100% of the cost, and 2 systems if the customer pays 50% of the cost and goes with option B. So some accomplishments, we have put together a high-level system design for a 6-dwelling microgrid. This includes material costs plus installation costs. Develop focus groups to question if the benefits and service outweighs the high price to ensure reliable, uninterrupted power 24/7, 365. In conclusion, our team is asking for funding of around $3 million. This will cover our fixed costs for 2 to 3 years and allow enough runway for the market penetration and really get our foot in the door and allow for some long-term success. For references and inspiration, conversation with David Hamilton, social energy storage expert. Outback works at Outback Power Technologies.